You can make the best video in the world, but if the first 3 seconds are weak, nobody sees the rest. Today we fix your hooks. This is day 23 of free daily business prompts, a brand new one every single day. Yesterday you planned a whole month of content. Today we make sure people actually stop and watch it. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's, and remember, the full prompt is pinned right in the comments, so copy it there. Here's the hard truth about every platform. People scroll fast, and your first line is the only thing standing between you and being ignored. Most people open with something soft. Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about, by the time you get to the point, they're gone. A great hook does the opposite. It creates instant curiosity, calls out the viewer, or promises something they can't scroll past. The video doesn't matter if the hook fails. This prompt writes hooks that grab people in the first 3 seconds. Here's the prompt, and it's pinned in the comments, so just copy it there. You tell it your topic and who you're talking to, and it writes you 10 different scroll-stopping hooks using proven angles, curiosity, bold claims, mistakes to avoid, questions, and more. You pick your favorite and slap it on the front of your video. Instant upgrade to every post you make. Watch, say my topic is how often you should clean your driveway. I paste that in, and instead of today, I'll talk about driveway cleaning. It gives me hooks like, you're cleaning your driveway wrong, here's why, and this one mistake is destroying your driveway. Same content, but now people actually stop scrolling to watch. Your hook is the highest leverage part of any piece of content. Improve it and the exact same video gets 2, 3, 5 times the views. This is the single fastest way to grow on any platform. And like every prompt on this channel, it's completely free. No course, no catch. If this helped, smash that like, subscribe and turn on the bell. We drop a new prompt every single day. The full prompt is pinned in the comments. Go grab it now. See you tomorrow for free daily prompt number 24.